Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those, you need to find where the relay for the engine starter is located, because your starter does not work. Always check that relay first. We'll talk where the fuses are located as well, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money. Stay with us guys. Okay, all that will be covered in this video today, absolutely free for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that guys? To save you time and money, because in the manual it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means, and let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car guys that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, that way you don't waste time and money guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So where is the relay for the engine starter? We'll demonstrate on 2010 Honda Accord guys. It will work on the 3.5 and the 2.4 engine as well. Now you will have three different fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we need today will be on the inside of your Honda Accord. You need to look under the dash, all the way upside down, above the pedals on the left side. Look there and you will see that fuse box layout right here. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you want to see the starter fuses guys, we have video on the channel where is the starter fuse on the Honda Accord starter fuse location. Check out the video on our channel. But the relay for the starter, you see you have relays that are named A, B and C, or 1, 2, 3. The relay that you need to check is that relay number 3 or relay C. If you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.